Hi all, I'm getting requests to discuss some dietary guidelines, few important dietary guidelines about how to get or how to take the preventive measures in terms of nutrition, definitely for corona. And if at all somebody is getting infected with COVID, how to take care of the nutritional requirements and all. So the first thing, we don't have any as such proven formula that can prevent from corona, but it's a kind of viral infection, so you have to just think about your immunity. Again, one more thing, immunity won't come in one day, 1 month. We all have our acquired immunity. We have our skin, our saliva, our own immune system to protect us from such virus and bacteria. But yet, uh, like, we have to take all the precautions, and we have to take a healthy diet. Now, healthy diet again is a big topic, but try to include different color of fruits and vegetables in your daily menu, and that too in 3 major meals, that breakfast, lunch and dinner. Try to have some some more protein, little bit protein you have to add everywhere. What are the major sources of protein? Dal, egg, fish, lean meat, nuts, seeds and paneer. Always prefer low fat dairy whenever you are thinking about your curd and paneer. Third thing is, few nutrients are actually like they are proving, we have the proven literatures and journals, those are beneficial when it comes about immunity. Those are vitamin C, zinc, B complex, vitamin A, and something like melatonin and quercetin. So vitamin C, we all know, citrus fruits. Vitamin A, wherever we have yellow, red coloration, fruits and vegetables, green leafy vegetables, animal sources like egg, lean meat and fishes. Zinc, whole grains, unprocessed grains. जैसे when you are eating chapati, zinc will be less. When you're eating dalia and some some sprouts and some germinated grains, there zinc will be little bit better. So seeds, nuts, those are the good source of zinc. Then vitamin B complex, again whole cereals and those products. Then all kind of vegetables, fruits. We have some of either one or more vitamin and mineral everywhere. So that's there. Melatonin and quercetin, in India we are not using in broad spectrum, but out of India that getting used again. Melatonin, again milk, then chamomile tea, nuts, seeds. Quercetin, we have ample in apple, tomatoes, red grapes. So these are again nuts and seeds. So the nuts and leaves, if you really want to build your immunity in a better way, eat a healthy diet. Try to go for different color of fruits and vegetables. Try to include on daily basis. Have amla, have lemon. Those are much better than that of this Limcy and Cecil, the vitamin C supplement. And drink enough water. Take ample of rest and sleep for 6 to 8 hours and some activity, definitely. Under lockdown we all are quite sedentary, and we have any reason for being sedentary. So do some sort of activity. You can do indoor yoga, pranayama, plank, push-up, squats, whatever you feel like. That's there. Now, if somebody got infected with corona, what to do? Again, that time you have to try to give him or give her a healthy diet, well balanced diet. That should be easy for digestion, easy for absorption. Like you can give idli for South Indian breakfast, upma, rava khichdi, some rice dal combination, even curd rice if the curd is fresh. Few people they say ki curd we should not give in viral infection. I feel no, not at all, because curd is lactobacilli. This bacteria is very good for a gut. So if the curd is fresh, you can give for sure. So that's there. If the person is able to digest even chapati and all, you can give without oil, without salt, because South India they practice chapati with oil all the time. So that should not be there. You can give all the kind of well cooked vegetables, fruits without peel and without too much of fiber. Citrus fruit at times they can irritate the throat. So there you have to be little comfortable. If you're comfortable, you can go for that. And again, Fluid is very important. They have to be hydrated. At times when I ask my patients how much fluid I've taken, they say we are drinking enough. But when last exactly the calculation, they drink actually very less. So try to calculate your fluid. At least 3 liters per day for Indian adults is really important. 3 to 4 liters you can go very easily. Like you can use some herbs, we have everything in our kitchen. Cinnamon, jeera, methi, basil, then what else? Yeah, these things you can just put in water. Whatever drinking water you're using to drink, just dip few grains or few leaves there and leave it and try to sip the water from that. Water should be warm. That's always better because our body temperature is around 37 degree. So water should be at least more than that, to at least 40 degree. That's really good. You can have tea, coffee, but too much of tea, coffee will make you acidic. So don't take too much of tea, coffee. Rather you can go for this type of water, what I said. You can have some fresh buttermilk for sure. And something again from Ayurveda, giloy. Giloy is proven good in fighting our immunity. Ashwagandha is proven good. You can have giloy, ashwagandha, avla, neem, tulasi, aloe vera. This type of juices are easily available in some Ayurvedic store. Online you can get it. We have some good company and you can trust on them. You can have homemade soups. You can have rice water, dal water, jeera water, barley water, whatever. If you are having some indigestion, if at all you are having some indigestion and diarrhea, try to go very easy with your diet. Have some double boiled rice, triple boiled rice. Have lots of fluid. Fluid can be the rice water, barley water. Then you can have some sago water. You can have some kanji, kanji, cereal based kanji, not dal based kanjis, not multigrain. You have to go for simple rice kanji, white rice kanji. You can have sago kanji. You can have boiled potato. You can have Mari biscuits with weak tea. That's, we say black tea or liquor. That you can have. You can have homemade cottage cheese, that paneer, the chhena, what they make inside the home, that you can have. So these are some easy tips. Please wear mask, wash your hand all the time, take all the safety measures, that's very important, and keep all the utensils where you are going to eat separate for you, and please isolate yourself. So these were some easy tips. Sorry, I'm running out of time and I have to go home. So I'll try to make a detailed video once again, but as of now, I hope this will help. Thank you so much. Bye. Stay safe. Stay indoors. Shruti.